Okay, YouTube, we have just finished this one over here. And I'm just seeing some canvas on there a little bit. Just finished this one, and these are all the leftover colors from this one here, this massive pour. So I am going to just put it all into one cup. We're going to do another pour under here. I don't know if I'm going to swipe it or not. We will find out.
Ooh,
This one's going to look good. So all the colors are on the other video, the description. So if you want to look at the, I think it's probably going to be called Massive Color, Massive Cells, something along those lines. If you look up that video, you will see what colors we used. But there is a lot, and let me tell you. White in there. White always breaks things up. Let's get some of this dark blue going. You like that blue, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Me too. And they've all got either glitter paint or glitter in them. So, I hope it's going to come out looking somewhat like that, but a little different.
Yeah.
That one was a metallic gold or metallic bronze. I don't remember.
I want to see it there. I want to see how that color looks.
Alright, I'll show you just a minute when I get them all in here.
Okay.
Okay, let's do some of this green.
Yeah. Because that's your favorite color and Mama's favorite color.
What's that, green?
Yeah.
It sure is. Alright.
Whoa, what's that color?
This one, I think it's a metallic, either aquamarine or metallic blue. I think it's no aquamarine, I think.
Oh no, it fell.
That's right.
Yeah, because no paint will come out.
Might be a little bit that comes out, but right. See, did I do the orange? I think I did, but put a little more in there for good measure. Ooh, that's a little lump come out. That's not good.
Look, look.
Oh well. That's
Some
right.
came on there.
That's right.
Yeah, that's
A little bit of black on top.
Ooh, can I
A
see
little
it?
more white on top. Wow, this one's going to be crazy. Look at that.
Whoa, that's really cool.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, how did you even do that?
I just want to get rid of the rest of this paint we got left over
Yeah,
here.
do every single one. Come on, get out.
Okay. I think those are all pretty much done. A little more pink. This might be the champagne one, I don't know. But I'm liking the way that looks. There's lots in there, so that should be, I think that'll be enough to cover this one here.
I don't know what this will look
Oh, did I
like.
do yellow? Yeah, I did yellow the first part, that's right, okay. And then, whoa, oh, jeez. A bug just came out of nowhere, did you see that?
Yeah, get him.
Don't worry.
Scared me.
Yeah, it scared me too. So, you wanted to, I think that bug wanted to be part of our art project there.
Yeah.
That's the problem with working in the garage. You are close to the outside and you never know what's gonna happen. All right, now even though there's tons of silicone in there, I'm just gonna give it a little blast on the top there. On a blastito. And
He just dropped it out of nowhere.
so what we're gonna do is put it on here like this, turn it over. There we go.
Cool.
I've said this in other videos and I'll say it again in this video. The way I just did that, I see a lot of people put it on there and they get ready and they go, okay. And they go really fast. And so many times when they do that, the cup spills out. You just need to do it slowly. You don't need to do it fast. You just put it on there and just go and it will stay on there. Just put a little pressure on it the whole time you're turning it, but just a little bit and do it slowly and it'll be fine. And honestly, with these kind of pours, it really doesn't matter if it spills out. So it's not a huge thing if it does, but if you're worried about that, that's that. All right, so we're gonna let it sit here for just a second.
And
Tap the
get-
top there, let the paint get all one
Yeah, a
side
little
down.
bit more pressure.
A little more pressure.
Mm.
And then,
Okay.
should I smooth it around or should I just lift it up and let it pour out?
Lift it up.
Let's do it, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2,
3.
Whoa!
I think that was a good idea. I guess that was right. Oh, I see it going. I see it moving. You have to let that one move.
Yep, we're gonna have to move this one around, aren't we?
Yeah. Ooh, it's going fast.
It's
It's like a roller coaster. That's it.
It sure is. Oh man, I hope we're gonna have enough paint to cover this. I don't know if we are.
Oh, oh, oh. Try not to get it on your hands.
it's gonna happen. You can't really help it. It always gets on the hands.
Yeah. Sometimes it has to go. Whoa, that looks even cooler. What's that?
What is that right there? A piece of something. A lump of something there.
I think that was another spider.
Oh, I hope not.
Yeah.
A little bit of bug guts, maybe.
What's bug guts?
The insides of a bug.
Gross. Sometimes you have to get on the side.
I know, I'm just trying to do it as much as I can.
So it can't fall?
Yeah, try to get as much as I can in there before I,
No, you have to let it fall.
Well, I know, but I'm just trying to get as much as I can in there before I do. Whoa, look at that long stretch.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the big of a bungalow.
I think we're going to have to just sort of, okay, there it goes that side.
Oh no, oh no.
That's all right, let's let it go. We're going to let it drip over this side a little bit.
Oh yeah, because that's good.
There we go. Let me get this way a little bit.
Yeah. Boom.
Come on, move towards that corner. Move towards that corner.
It is. It is.
There we go.
Can't help it.
Go back this way.
This one will look pretty good.
Yeah, this one's gonna come out really cool, I think.
Yeah, even like that one. The other one.
This one's gonna have much bigger cells, I think.
You think?
Yeah, I really do.
Whoa. That almost looks like your other one.
Just gotta get this last corner over here.
Oh yeah, I see that one. Come on, move more. Come on.
It's cool though, it's really stretching all the cells out though.
Yeah, it looks like a bungalow.
I have no idea what that is.
I don't know too. I just mixed it up. What?
Funny.
Oh,
Alright, this looks
bungalow
pretty.
is funny.
This looks pretty good though. I'm liking this one. Came out pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. What if you should do that towel again and move it?
No, I don't want to do it on this one because I really like the way this looks right here. I don't want to do the swipe. I mean, part of me wonders, I wonder what it would look like if we did it, but I really like the way this one looks, so.
I think it'll look cool with the swipe too.
It would, but I'm really happy with the way it looks now, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and leave it the way it is.
And remind me those are yours, okay? Because last time I might think it's Mama's.
Well, you know.
Because she's really good at painting.
Yeah, they're all of ours. You just like to know who did which one.
Like I did that yellow one.
Yeah, look at that. I like this a lot. This one came out cool.
Yeah.
That is really, really cool.
What if you should make another one?
Aye, well,
Because
I think all the colors are pretty much
done.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I can start trying to.
Or you can use another color anyway.
Yeah, I'll do this and try to
Whoa,
get them all mixed in there a little bit.
that's cool.
But first, let me get the camera. Give you guys a. Oh, you got a pretty good close up to see, but let me get you a little closer there, YouTube world, and show you what I'm.
I thought you
Doing
meant me.
No,
Whoa.
you're pretty close. You can see it.
Yeah, I can really see it. Look, I do this.
Okay. I'm coming, YouTube. I'm coming. Let me just wipe my hands off a little bit.
Yeah. Sometimes
Oh, look at all the glitter I got on my hands.
yeah. It looks cool. The glitter looks cool.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Try to get it to where you don't see so much of reflection. The light's reflecting off of it so much.
Yeah, it's
But look at
moving a
that
lot
one.
because I'm moving a lot.
So this, right now that you see, has big cells because we really moved it around and turned it and spread it, and it all came from the colors that were left over from that one. Right there, which was a swipe.
Which was it? Yeah.
But there, yeah, come on, you're gonna fall off, okay? Stop doing that. So this looks really, really cool. I'm liking it. It looks super duper cool, like a space nebula. Or a rongrong, or bungrong, what did you call it?
A bunger.
A bunger?
No, a bungor.
A bungor? You just made that up?
Yeah.
This is our Bungore painting right here, folks. All right, hope you liked it. Like, share, sub, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one. You want to say bye? I guess that's a no. All right, we'll see you on the, there you go. See you on the next one.